Welcome to Archiversity online lectures. In my previous two lectures, I explained you how to create a pivot table and draw pie chart and a column chart using pivot tables. Pie charts and column charts are drawn on a categorical data. However, if you have numerical data, that is a continuous data in your data set, and when you see that there is a one variable depending on another variable, in such scenario, we use XY scatter plots. XY scatter plot is used to find out the relationship between dependent and independent variables. In this lecture, I am going to explain you how to draw XY scatter plot using training score and performance score of employees. In this training evaluation form, there are two questions which are open-ended. So the open-ended questions are score you got at the end of the training program, and then score you got in a recent performance appraisal. These two are open-ended and a numeric one, or measured on a continuous scale. Here we are interested to know whether the score achieved by the employee during a training program has any impact on his recent performance appraisal. That means the objective of this training program was to enhance the skill set of the employees. That is a skill development training program. So if they learned anything there and if they enhanced their skill, automatically it should have its impact on a performance appraisal. That means the performance of employees should increase. So we want to test this. In this case, the training score is a independent variable and performance appraisal score is a dependent variable. So in such scenario, we use XY scatter plot. So to draw a XY scatter plot, you need to select both the variables. That is, here T score is there, training score. Then you have a P score, that is a performance score. Select this one just by holding the shift key, press end key and a down arrow. The total data got selected. Now once you select the data, then click insert. Then from charts, click scatter. So here you have a XY scatter plot. So click on this, then select the first one. The chart is ready. Just move your page up. You can see here. So to edit this chart, what we do is we'll copy this here by holding a Control and C, create a new worksheet, and we'll place this here. Don't worry, it will take the same data which was there in our data sheet. So you have a scatter plot. Now we can edit this one. In the sense, to edit the scatter plot, once you select this, click on a design, then go to add chart element. Here axis titles. Click a primary horizontal axis. You can see here, click on this box and Control A, so that the text in this box gets selected. Now you give a name here. This is a performance, that is a training score. Then on this side you have a performance score. So once again click design, then axis titles, primary vertical, click in this box, then press Control A. Then this is performance appraisal score, and here you have a title. There is a title named as a P score. You can change this one. We name this as a training score versus performance score. So you give a title, then your vertical axis name, then horizontal axis name, and if you want to format this, click here, give a border. Then if you wish to fill a shape, you can fill this. Then once again go back to design, select any designs you wish. If you wish to change the font face and font style here, just select this one, then Control A, select all, go to home, then select the font type and font size. Similarly you can do for others also. So here the XY scatter plot says that there is no significant or a meaningful relationship between training score and performance appraisal score. If there is a relationship between training score and performance appraisal score, you will see a trend, either a trend, an upward trend or a downward trend. But here, as this is scattered, which indicates that there is a low correlation and the impact of a training score on performance score is minimal. So as this chart gives you a basic input, in the sense or primary insights of relationship between these two, to know the exact or perfect relationship, as this is a non-parametric one, you need to run a rank correlation, that is a Spearman's rank correlation. In my next lecture, I will show you how to calculate Spearman's rank correlation on these two variables. Thank you for watching the lecture.